My dear children, this is your mathematics class and I am your Elizabeth ma'am. We have completed our first two chapters on large numbers and addition. Now let us begin our next chapter, that is subtraction. Most of you may like addition than subtraction, right? Why is it like that? Subtraction is as easy as addition. Keep it in your mind. Now let us move on to the mind map of our video. Under subtraction, let us learn about subtraction using large numbers and the properties of subtraction and some real life applications of subtraction and how to verify subtraction by addition and to estimate the differences. What can you see here? A lady purchases some vegetables. She has rupees 200 with her. The cost of vegetable is rupees 100. How much does she get back? 100, isn't it? What the seller has done? He did subtraction, right? 200 minus 100 is 100. Now, let's learn subtraction using larger numbers. In the case of subtraction, we subtract smaller number from a larger number. So, the larger number among them is called as minuend and the smaller number subtrahend, and the answer what you get is called as difference. I have a question here. Subtract 47,236 from 88,081. Which is larger? This is larger, right? We have to subtract the smaller number from the larger one. I have put all the numbers in a table where we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. I have placed all the numbers in their respective places. Now let us do subtraction. Here you see we have to subtract this, right? 1 is less than 6. We can't do subtraction. So we have to take 1 from 8. So when you take 1 as carry, this 8 would become 7 and 1 comes here. Now what is 11 minus 6? It is 5. Now subtract 7 and 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Correct. Now again this is smaller than 2. So we have to take 1 from 8. When you take 1 from 8, 8 would become 7 and 1 comes here and it becomes 10. What is 10 minus 2? It is 8. Now 7 and 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. And at last 8 and 4. 8 is larger. 8 minus 4 is 4. So what is the difference? It is 40,845. Now let's see some properties of subtraction. There are 5 properties in your textbook. Let us see first 3 now. The first property, when you subtract two same numbers, you get the difference as 0. When you subtract 1000 and 1000, you get 0. A second property, when you subtract 0 from a number, you get the number itself. What is 5000 minus 0? Is it 0? No, it is 5000. A third property, when you subtract 1 from a number, you get the predecessor of a number. Have you come across subtraction in your real life? No? Don't lie. There are so many real life applications. I'll explain you one problem from your textbook. This is a question from exercise 3.3, question number 6. 5360 white tiles and 2225 blue tiles were bought to lay the floors of the rooms of a college. After the completion of flooring work, 399 tiles were left unused. How many tiles were used to make the floors? How to solve the problem, children? First, you have to add both white tiles and blue tiles. You'll get an answer. And with that answer, subtract number of tiles unused. Here I have given total number of white tiles is equal to 5360. A number of blue tiles is equal to 2225. First we have to find total number of tiles. For that, add both. You get the answer as 7585. You have learnt addition in your previous chapter, right? You add it and you will get an answer. And there are some tiles which is unused. You have to subtract those from total tiles. Here we have to subtract the numbers in ones place. 5 minus 9, we can't do. Take 1 from tens place. So the 8 will become 7 and this 5 will become 15. Now what is 15 minus 9? It is 6. Now 7 minus 9. We can't subtract. Take 1 from hundreds place. We get the value here as 4 and this 7 will become 17. Now 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now see the hundreds place. It is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 7. And here nothing is there. So 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. So the tiles used to make the floor is equal to 7186. Now let us verify subtraction by addition. How to do that? We already know difference is equal to minuend minus subtrahend. Yes? How do we check the answer we got is correct or not? Difference plus subtrahend, you get minuend. If you add the difference with the subtrahend, if you get minuend, then the answer what you have done is correct. I'll show an example. Now we have to subtract 3562 from 75,684. When you subtract, you get 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 7 minus 0 is 7. Here we didn't use any carry, so the subtraction was easy and you got the difference as 72,122. Now let's check whether the answer is correct. Yes? For that you have to add the difference and the subtrahend. When you add, you get 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 6, 8, 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 3, 5, and 7 plus 0, 7. Did we get the same minuend? Yes? So, the answer is correct. This and this are equal. Yes? So, our answer is exactly right. Now, let us learn how to estimate the difference. You have already learned estimation of addition, right? In a similar manner, let us learn how to estimate the difference of given numbers. This is a question from example 7. There were 2,523 spectators in an auditorium, out of which 893 were children. Estimate the number of adults in the auditorium. So children, the total number of spectators are given and number of children are also given. We have to find how many adults were there. So we have to subtract the number of children from total spectators. You have already learned rounding up and rounding down, right? So here total spectators are given as 2,523. Here the tens digit is 2, which is less than 5. So we have to round down the value to 2,500. A number of children are given as 893. Since the tens digit is greater than 5, we have to add 1 to hundreds digit. So this number becomes 900. To find total adults, subtract 900 from 2,500. We get the answer as 1,600. So the total number of adults in the auditorium were 1,600. So children, in this video, we learned subtraction using larger numbers, and we learned real life applications, properties of subtraction, and estimation of subtraction. That's all. We also learned how to verify subtraction using addition. Hope you have understood. Take care. Bye.